Welcome to an exclusive behind-the-scenes journey with the mychinabazaar.com team as they embark on a visit to a leading microchip company in China.
好了，谢谢你啊。你们的这个好一点的，好一点的，很好的。我们客人告诉很好一点的。
所以说，如果有客人需要好一点的质量的，他们就可以说拿这个出来展示给客人看。
对。माई चाइना बाजार से हम लोग आया हुआ है। ये आप देख सकते हैं इनका जो कारखाना है। यहाँ से जो सामान है आप लोग को कारखाने का अंदर का भी हम दिखाएंगे थोड़ा देर बाद। इनका जो चीज़ है बहुत अच्छी तरह से किया हुआ है, बहुत बेहतरीन सामान यूज़ करता है। यामाहा का मशीन्स यूज़ किया जाता है। इनका यहाँ पे जो इनका क्वालिटी है बहुत अच्छा है। इनका जो डिज़ाइन आप लोग अगर देंगे, हमारे इंडिया के क्लाइंट्स अगर डिज़ाइन देंगे ये लोग बना देगा। आप लोग का फ़ोन के लिए, आप लोग का जैसे बाइक्स के लिए हुआ, फ़ोन के लिए हुआ, एलईडी के लिए हुआ, एलसीडी के लिए, हर एक चीज़ के लिए ये लोग आप लोग के लिए बना देगा। They are using machineries of Yamaha for this purpose. We have seen their factory, and you will also be seeing in our video later on regarding their factory, and the factory people are over here. This is the boss over here. This other members are over here. So hopefully our clients from India, you can just come to my China Bazaar. We will source from them and they can provide you the better product. And more importantly, one more thing is the testing. They have got a very good quality of testing, and they guarantee it's around 100% of testing rate.
In this exciting 8-minute and 42-second video, you'll witness every step of the PCBA microchip production process, from intricate design stages to advanced manufacturing techniques. Our team converses fluently in Chinese with the engineers and company executives, facilitating an exchange of ideas, technical expertise, and valuable insights. But our journey doesn't stop there. MyChinaBazaar.com plays a pivotal role in assisting thousands of companies in India and around the world by sourcing and importing microchips, PCBs, PCBA, and other semiconductors. With our extensive network and expertise, we bridge the gap between businesses and cutting-edge technology, revolutionizing the way microchips are sourced and empowering companies to stay at the forefront of their industries. At mychinabazaar.com, we provide a comprehensive range of high-quality PCB, PCBA, microchips and semiconductor solutions at competitive prices. Our reliable partnerships and unwavering commitment to quality ensure that our clients receive the best products, tailored to their specific requirements. Join the countless satisfied businesses that have experienced the seamless and efficient sourcing process provided by mychinabazaar.com. If you want to start a business of PCBA, here is an immense opportunity for you. PCBA finds applications in a wide range of industries, each with specific requirements. The types of PCBA commonly required are for consumer electronics such as smartphones, laptops, tablets, gaming consoles, and home appliances. The automotive industry totally relies on PCBA for various applications, including engine management systems, infotainment systems, advanced driver assistance systems or ADAS, and onboard diagnostics. PCBA also plays a vital role in industrial automation, powering control systems, robotics, sensors, and machine-to-machine communication. Medical devices and equipment rely on PCBA for precision, reliability, and functionality. These include diagnostic equipment, monitoring devices, imaging systems, and patient monitoring systems. The aerospace and defense sectors widely utilize PCBA for critical applications, including avionics, communication systems, navigation systems, and weapon systems.
生态那边贴完之后，做了 AOI 测试之后，我们再过来这边就开始就是有。
Now an important question may come to your mind. That is, how does mychinabuzzer.com help you to source and import PCB and other items from China? Here's an elaboration on how mychinabuzzer.com helps importers to source and import PCB microchips from China. Number 1 point is wide supplier network. mychinabuzzer.com has a vast network of trusted suppliers and manufacturers in China, specializing in PCB production. Importers can leverage this network to connect with reliable and established manufacturers. These manufacturers are carefully vetted to ensure high-quality products and reliable delivery. Point number 2 is direct sourcing from manufacturers in China. mychinabuzzer.com enables importers to directly source PCB from manufacturers in China. By eliminating intermediaries, importers can access a wider range of options and benefit from competitive factory prices. This direct sourcing approach helps importers save costs and ensure better control over the entire procurement process. Point number 3 is all kinds of customization possibility. mychinabuzzer.com recognizes that importers may have specific customization requirements for their PCB orders. Whether it's customized designs, specifications, or branding, the platform facilitates seamless communication between importers and manufacturers to accommodate these customization needs. This ensures that importers can obtain PCB products tailored to their specific requirements. Fourth point is quality control or QC assistance. Ensuring the quality and reliability of PCB products is crucial for importers. mychinabuzzer.com assists importers in quality control by providing guidance and support throughout the QC process. This includes third-party inspections, testing, and verification of PCB products before shipment. By ensuring strict quality control measures, mychinabuzzer.com helps importers minimize the risk of receiving substandard or faulty PCB products. Point number 5 is shipping assistance. mychinabuzzer.com understands the complexities involved in international shipping and logistics. To streamline the import process, we offer shipping assistance, including guidance on suitable shipping methods, documentation requirements, and customs regulations. Importers can rely on the expertise of mychinabuzzer.com to navigate through the shipping process smoothly, ensuring timely delivery of their PCB orders. All these amazing services are done by mychinabuzzer.com on a nominal commission-based model. Importers can enjoy the benefits of accessing a wide network of suppliers, factory prices, customization support, quality control assistance, and shipping guidance, all while paying a reasonable commission to mychinabuzzer.com. This cost-effective approach allows importers to focus on their core business operations while benefiting from mychinabuzzer.com's expertise and services. Unlock the limitless possibilities of PCB and microchip technology with us. Whether you're in hardware manufacturing, PCB or PCB import, or seeking semiconductor solutions, mychinabuzzer.com is your trusted partner. Together, let's embark on a journey of innovation, collaboration, and international trade, propelling your business to new heights.